If you're seeing the Epic Games error that says request could not be completed, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher and keep gaming. This is a common issue, and most of the time it's caused by a temporary internet problem, a VPN conflict, or a launcher connection issue. So stay with me, follow along, and by the end of this video, you should know exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with your internet connection, because that's the most common reason this error shows up. Check whether your Wi-Fi is working properly by opening a website or trying another online app. If nothing is loading, the problem may be with your network, not Epic Games. In that case, restart your Wi-Fi or router. Simply unplug your router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully reconnect. Once your internet is back up, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not still running in the background. You can do this from the system tray or by opening Task Manager and ending the Epic Games process if needed. After that, turn off any VPN you might be using. Epic Games sometimes blocks or struggles to communicate properly when a VPN is active, and that can trigger the request could not be completed message. So if you have a VPN enabled, disable it and try launching Epic Games again. Next, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but it often clears temporary connection glitches and resets anything stuck in the background. After your computer restarts, wait a minute or two before opening the launcher again. Then try signing in or loading the page once more. If the error was only temporary, this may fix it immediately. If it still doesn't work, give it a few minutes and try again later. Sometimes Epic Games servers or your connection can be temporarily unstable, and waiting briefly can solve the issue without any extra steps. Now, after each of these fixes, test the launcher again to see whether the message is gone. If it opens normally, you're all set. If not, the most important thing is to work through these steps one by one, because the issue is usually tied to network stability or an interrupted connection. To recap, restart your Wi-Fi or router, close Epic Games launcher, turn off your VPN, restart your PC, and try again after a few minutes. In many cases, that is enough to fix the request could not be completed error on Epic Games. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.